Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today again is the end of the week, Sunday, and I am here to give you the reading for the next week, that is the date 5th of July 2021 till the 11th of July 2021. So let's start our reading. Like I always tell you, I am on Facebook as well as on Instagram, so please go there and like my page. Also request to like my YouTube channel as well as subscribe my YouTube channel. It will be a great help and I'll be very thankful to you, because that will be a great encouragement for me to do more videos. So let's go ahead and start with doing our cards with the first sign, that is the sign Aries. Again, this is for 5th of July 2021 till the 11th of July 2021. So let's go ahead and see. Let's remove 3 cards for Aries. How are Aries people doing today? Hopefully your last week was good. Okay, let's see your this week. That means the week that's starting 5th to 11th. For the Aries people, this week is a little bit, you can say, a disturbing week. Not like too disturbing, but yes, there will be arguments, there will be quarrels, there will be things that will happen. It's not that this week is a bad week for you, but somewhere, yes, this week will also include a little bit of quarrel, disagreement between family members or colleagues or something. So there will be some issue there. I do see a little bit of financial issue coming your way in this week, so just be very careful where your finances are concerned. Do some donation or feed the needy people, so this week will go better for you. Otherwise, if you see, overall the week is good for Aries people. Also, let's go ahead and do Taurus. Now 3 cards for people born under the sign of Taurus. How are Taurians doing today? Okay, let's see the week. Okay, for Taurus people, the week is going to be good. Of course, I do see good cards, but mostly pentacle cards, so something related to money, of course. But also there is something that the card is guiding you to think twice, because you're not seeing right for things that you're doing. So please understand what exactly you want and see the real picture and then go ahead with it. Maybe that's the reason it's giving me this financial card. Somewhere, you need to pay attention to your finance. Don't make wrong decision this week. Also, for you, there is a need of donating something to the needy people, maybe food, or don't donate money, mostly food or necessity, whatever they need basically. Otherwise, the week is going to be fine. Yes, you are going to save some money. Maybe you are going to put the money that you have saved in the investment, or somewhere in a safer place. So overall, if you see where relationship is concerned, career is concerned, it is the same. It's going to be the same. It is going to go the way it is going. Now we'll go ahead and do Gemini. Quick 3 cards for Gemini. How are Gemini people doing today? Hope your last week was good. So let's see what this week is. For the Gemini people, I see very good cards. So this week means the week that is from 5th to 11. I see a little bit of travel. You will be traveling where some finances involved. Maybe a property is involved, or some money, taking of some money, or some money transaction is involved. So basically the travel will be for that reason. Also, there is a lot of I got a magician card, so there is going to be a lot of magic in your life in this week. In other words, if you see, it's something like overall, where your wealth is concerned, where your health is concerned, where your relationship are concerned, I do see a lot of good luck coming to you in the week. Also, yes, definitely, again, I see traveling card for relationships. So maybe your travel looks like in this week is something related to finance as well as relationship. Overall, a very good week for you. All the best. Now we'll go ahead and pick 3 cards for Cancer. And how are Cancer people doing? How was your week? Hopefully keeping yourself safe. Let's do 3 cards for people born under Cancer. People born under Cancer, you need to focus and do things. In the sense, don't do things without thinking about it or understanding about it. You know, it's something like signing papers or you know, anything, you know, any major decision that you make this week, make sure you read between the lines properly. I also see travel for you guys, so you will be traveling to meet your near and dear ones, or you know, something related to any kind of relationship. So travel will happen in this week. Plus the card is telling there is a hard work, you know, where the money is concerned. If you're thinking about money, I do see hard work. So how much hard work you will put in, you will get that much money. It's nothing like you're going to be lucky this week. It's something that you work for it and you're going to get it. So that this card is just for this week. So basically you will have to work towards what you want. So that's it for Cancer people. Now we go ahead and do the Leos. And how are the Leo people doing? How was your week? Three cards. Give me 3 cards for Leo. For the Leo people, sorry, the 3 cards that has come out is guiding me that you are going to be really moody, you know, and little confused regarding making a decision. So if there is something that you have to decide on, this week is going to be a little difficult for you because you are going to be in 2 minds. It's something like, should I do this or should I do that, you know? So it's something that is a little bit going to be, this week is going to be a little confusing for me. Plus, you know, the card is also guiding you to take care of your mother's health, you know. So if you have a mother, you know, just make sure you take care of her health. As well as I see you traveling, but the traveling that I see is not something that will be a happy traveling for you. So, you know, just be careful. Hopefully everything will be all right, everyone will be fine. Hopefully this week will go fine, but just be a little careful with your emotions this week. Also, where financial is concerned, the financial aspect is okay. It's not that great, you know. Whatever you are going through, that will be steady, nothing too much or nothing too low this week. So that's it for Leo. Now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for Virgo. And how are Virgo people doing? Hope your week was good, keeping yourself well. 3 cards for Virgo people. If I see Virgo people has to be little bit, you know, they have to work hard to keep themselves cheerful and happy, because this is the week there is something that is going to make them emotionally down. So you just have to be careful. I do see if someone is in a relationship or you know, planning or thinking of getting into relationship or something like that, it is not going to happen. It somewhere is going to give you a heartbreak or sadness. Maybe that is why that card has come of emotions, you know, because your emotions are not going to be well this week. So just be very careful. Just try to be happy this week and everything will work out for you. Plus also you have to be very, very careful about maybe a court case coming, or maybe, you know, something legal matter coming to you. And even the cards are telling me that this week you have to, the Virgo people have to balance their life properly, emotionally as well as, you can say, health wise, because emotions might affect your health somewhere this week. So just take care of yourself, try to be positive, try to be happy, and everything will work out for you. So that's for Virgo. Now we are going to do 3 cards for Libra. And how are Librans doing? Hopefully doing well, and your last week was good too, and hopefully this week will be. So let's go ahead and do Libra. Libra. 2 and the 3rd card. Okay. Alright, for the Libra people, this week is going to give them some good financial deal, or maybe I do see money coming their way. So that's a good thing for the Librans. That I see money coming. So there might be a increase in your pay, or some kind of investment that you must have done must be coming. The interest must be coming, but somewhere the money is coming. Also, I do see little you can say fluctuation of moods and everything coming too. You know, it's something like a very you can say not a sad feeling, but a very emotional feeling, very that kind of a week where you just want to sit and be yourself and be in your thoughts. So it's going to be that kind of a week. So don't don't try to sit alone or something like that. Get out, meet people, and try to be happy. Plus also Librans have to be very, very careful this week from negative people. Just be careful whom you are surrounded with and where you are going, so that you don't attach any negative energy with you. Just be very careful, protect yourself, and go out. So that's for Librans. Now we'll go ahead and do Scorpio. Three cards for Scorpions. Hopefully your week was good, Scorpio people, and hope you're doing well. And let's see what this week is going to be for you. For the Scorpio people, the week seems to be good. I do see a moment going ahead kind of a things, and everything like a relationship you say, or career you say, or finance you say, I see a moment. But in this moment I also see that you are going to make some decision that is going to be little troublesome for you. It's something like you will be in such a mood this week, like a very carefree mood, where you are just in your own world. You just are just don't want to do anything, and just be in your own world, carefree kind of a thing. This kind of attitude might give you problems, so just be very careful. Also, there will be a situation coming your way where you will have to make a decision, and then you will be confused that should I go for this or should I go for that. So be in a real good state of mind before making any decision that is very important for your life. Otherwise, if I see, the cards are good for you and your week is going to be good. Now we'll go ahead and do Sagittarius. Hopefully the Sagittarians are doing good. Hopefully your last week was also good, and let's hope this week is also good. So Sagittarius. Okay, for Sagittarius people, the week looks good, because again I have a Magician card, so there is going to be a magic working for you this week. It is like something you're waiting for is going to come to your way. There will be, where finance is concerned, relationship are concerned, or whatever you have wished for is going to come to you this week. So it's going to be a very good week. Plus there is a travel related to finance. Is showing that you will be traveling, where some financial transaction needs to be done, or maybe just to travel. Also the card is again giving me a guidance to donate something to people or needy, so that it will give you the relief from any kind of bad luck or anything. This will help you in that. So if you donate something, not money, but maybe food or any items that the poor people need or are in need, you can donate this week, and that will push you ahead to success this week. Otherwise, the cards are very good. The Sagittarians are definitely going to see some moment, the ahead moment, and a travel this week. So overall, a very good week for Sagittarians. Now we'll go ahead and do Capricorn. Let's do 3. Hopefully the Capricorns are doing good. Last week was good and this week hopefully will be good too. Let's see what 3 cards have to say for Capricorn. For the people Capricorn, I do see a lot of mood swings coming your way. I do see a little bit of depression, little bit of health related to emotions. You will be in little bit of stress. You might be thinking too much this week for little problems, and that might cause you some kind of mood swings or some kind of depression or some kind of things like that, you know. So I think most of the time it is because of the relations or the relationships you are into. So you just have to be careful about your relationship, about the people, not to hurt them, or you know, not to take anything seriously and affect your health because of them. Also, I do see you need to balance your life. I do see that there is lot of imbalance in your life where emotions are concerned and everything in your life is concerned, you know. So there should be a balance, you know, for everything to work. So you have to balance your life to work. So make sure this week is a week where the card is telling you to try to balance your life to make it better. So overall, if you see, your week is okay, it is not that bad, so it will be fine and it's a normal week for you. So don't worry, but keep your moods elevated and try to be happy. So now Aquarius, how are you people doing, Aquarians? Hopefully your week was good, and let's hope this week is good too. So let's remove 3 cards for Aquarians. Give me good cards for Aquarius, right? Let's see what cards the universe has for you. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so I see good cards for Aquarians. It's a Wheel of Fortune, so somewhere, you know, you are going to be blessed. You know, this week is like a Wheel of Fortune. It's like a Wheel of Circle, the circle that is moving, and it's going to give you fortune. So somewhere, you know, whatever you have been working hard, whatever you have been doing, it is going to revolve in such a way that it is going to give you good luck. So this week is going to be very good for you. Plus I do see a celebration coming your way, you know, family gathering, you know, maybe you might buy something new, but especially it is a family gathering, you know, family getting together, celebration. So some kind of celebration is coming your way, plus a Wheel of Fortune. So it is going to work towards your achievement, your goals, your relationship, everything, because the circle is going, the Wheel of Fortune is going to move towards what you have been working to, and it is going to give the results this week. Somewhere it is just giving me one card where it says financial wise, yes, it is going to give you improvement, but somewhere you have to be careful about the finance. So it's something that you have to look into it. Just be careful about your finance, just save, don't spend too much in excitement, and otherwise the week is fantastic for Aquarians. Now the last sign, and that is Pisces. Hopefully Pisces people are doing good. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Pisces. Okay, let's see. Okay, I definitely see financial moment. I mean to say, you are going to get some good news where your finance is concerned, where your money is concerned. I do see it coming your way. You can say growing, or you know, something better where your finance is concerned. Also there are cards for Pisces people where there will be a lot of people you will be surrounded, you know, in this week, that might be very judgmental, or that might be the people who judge you a lot. Please do not let you affect that affect that, because that is just a phase, and those people are not going to stay forever. So don't let that people affect you in any way. Otherwise the week is looking good. Just be little careful. I won't say too much negativity, but there are people around you who might, put you down somewhere, or so that those emotions, the setback and everything might cause you that negativity coming from them. So just be careful with that, protect yourself. Otherwise the week looks fine. If you see the relationship, if you see the finance, if you see your career, everything looks perfectly okay. So that was the last sign, Pisces. So we are done with the week from 5th July 2021 to 11th July 2021. Hopefully you have liked and subscribed to my YouTube channel. Please, if you have not, do like this YouTube channel, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like I told you, it's going to be really helpful to me, and as the subscribers increase, it gives me the happiness and enthusiasm to put in more videos. Also, like I always tell you, I am on Facebook as well as on Instagram, so please go ahead and do like my page there too. So that's it for now. Stay safe, stay happy, be positive, and as always, I love you. Mwah.